Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I'm preparing tomatoes and eggs, 4 eggs. So I've just prepared my eggs as you've seen, and the tomatoes. Then because in Africa most of us we don't use chili. Yeah, I'll not put that black chili or red one. So I'll just wait for the onions to fry a little bit, then I'll put the eggs. Yeah, so thank you, and follow up as I proceed. Then guys, I'll let it cook for like 4 to 5 minutes, then I'll be removing. So because in Africa we don't have those lid, I'll just improvise something. Let me see what I'll use. So guys, I'll use this one. I want it to cook for like exactly 4 minutes. So guys, it's ready as you see. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, share, comment, and I'll be bringing more of that in my videos. Thank you. Subscribe please.